We finished making the 54 machine. We got one additional order for 20 more machines. So we are going to make 74 machines in total. And this is the video to show the manufacturing process of the 74 machines. That is the truck waiting for loading. We can see the containerized flake ice plants. All these containerized flake ice plants will be used for snow making, all-season snow making. Ice flakes will be made into snow. I already made some video to show the orange container in the snow ski resort. Okay, here we can see some containerized, more containerized machine. There are two cooling fans in each container for each evaporative condenser. We have to finish making the 74 machines in a short time. So we have many workers here. They have to work in the day and night, non-stop. These are the evaporator and evaporative condenser, compressing condenser units, which we're going to put them into the container. Okay, so this is the video. Another video to show the manufacturing process of this 74 machine. We are the biggest and the most competitive flake ice machine manufacturer in China. And this is the video to prove it. Nobody else can share with you video like this. Okay.